So everybody, when you're doing abacus practice, you're not supposed to be reciting your times tables, but rather try to do the practice based on what makes 5 and what makes 10. For example, when we're adding 1, you do add 1, add 1, add 1, add 1. And then when you want to add 1 again, there isn't enough. So you say, where can you go is the first question. Oh, it can go to the 5. So then you say, who is a friend of 1 to go into 5? You said 4. So take away 4, add 5. So add 1 again. Then if you want to add 1 again, there isn't any enough beats. So then you say, where can it go then to add 1? You can't use a 5 because it's used, so the only one is 10. So then you say, who is a friend of 1 then? Who is a friend that I need to bring to go into 10? So friend of 1 is 9. Like that. Then add 1 again. So you need to do that, not counting the number, but rather thinking of where can it go. Okay, and continue to do that up to 60. Next one, add 2. You just need to say add 2, add 2. You're not allowed to say 2, 4, 6, 8. No, that's not correct. You say add 2, add 2. Then how can I add 2 again? It's not enough. The only way to add 2 is to go into 5. Then you say, who is a friend of 2 to go into 5? Is 3. Add 2. Now you want to add 2 again. It's not enough. So there is only one beat left. But then you need 2. The only way to add 2 more is to go into 10. Why don't we go to 5? Because 5 is already used. So when 5 is used, you use a 10. So you say, who is a friend of 2 to go into 10? 8. Then add 2, add 2. You're not allowed to say 14, 16, 18. That's wrong. So you say, who is a friend of 2 to go into 5? 3. Add 2. Who is a friend of 2 to go into 10 now? You can't go to 5 because 5 is used, is 8. And then you keep on doing that all the way to 60. Now adding 3. 3, to add 3 again is not enough. So who is a friend of 3 to go into 5? 2. Take away 2, add the 5, add 3. Now to add 3 again, can you use the 5? No. The only way is to use the 10 because 5 is used. So who is a friend of 3 to go into 10? 7. To add 3 again, where can it go? Can't go here because there are only 2 left. So you need to go to 5. So who is a friend of 3 to go into 5? 2. Add 3. Okay. To add 3 again, there isn't enough beat. Only 1 left. On the Japanese abacus, you never touch any beats that are not enough. You always go to the next beat that is bigger. Next bigger is 5, but 5 is used, and the next bigger is 10. So take away 7, add 10, add 3, add 3. Again, take away 7, add 10, add 3. Where can you go to add 3 again? To the 5. So take away 2. Friend of 3 is 2. So take away 2 at the 5, add 3. Where can it go again? It's a 10. So take away. Friend of 3 is 7. Take away 7, add 10. And then keep on going all the way to 60. Okay? Now, adding 4. The same principle. Always ask a question. Who is a friend of 4 to go into 5? 1. Take away 1 at the 5. To add 4 again, can't go into 5 because it's used. The only way is to go to 10. So on the Japanese abacus, there are only 2 options, going to the 5 or going to the 10. So who is a friend of 4 to go into 10? 6. So take away 6, bring 6 friend and go into 10. Now where can it go now? You want to add 4, there aren't enough. So the only way is to go to 5, take away 1 at the 5. Now you want to add 4, but there isn't any more beats left on the units. The only way is to go to 10. So take away 6, 10. All you need to keep on remembering is friend of 4 is 1 to 5. Friend of 4 is 6 to go into 10. Okay, then keep on going all the way to 60. Now adding 5. This is one way to do it at 5. To add 5 again, not enough. So take away 5 at 10. Take away 5 at 10. Use the correct finger to take away at 5. Or now you can do it together. Take away 5 at 10 at 5. 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 Take away 5 at 10. To do 6. To add 6 again, there isn't enough. So who is a friend of 6 to go into 10? You can't even go to 5 now. 6, 7, 8, 9, you go straight to 10. Who is a friend of 6 to go into 10? 4. Take away 4 at 10. So what you need to do here is to figure out how you take away 4. Remember in Chukenbukon, to take away 4, there aren't any enough beats here. The only way to take away 4 is take away from 5. Take away 5 at 1. At 10, don't forget. To add 6 again, there is only 5 left. So the only way is to take away 4 at 10. So you need to keep on saying take away 4 at 10, take away 4 at 10, at 6, take away 4 at 10, and then do twist here. For 7 is the same, 7. So take away, who is a friend of 7 to make 10? Is 3. So you just need to figure out how you take away 3 here. You can't take away 3 from here because there are only 2 left. The only way is to take away from 5 at 2 at 10. Take away 3 at 10. Keep on saying that. At 7, whenever there isn't enough bit, you say take away 3 at 10. Take away 3 at 10 at 7. Take away 3 at 10. Take away 3 at 10. Twist. 7 has to go to 70. Now, adding 8. Who is a friend of 8 to go into 10? 2. Take away 2 at 10. Twist. Take away 2 here is take away 5 at 3 at 10. Take away 2 at 10. Take away 2 at 10. At 8. Take away 2 at 10. 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 So you're not allowed to recite 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. That's wrong. Okay? 9. Who is a friend of 9 to go into 10? 1. Take away 1 at 10. 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 The only difficult bit on adding 9 is when there is this bit only. How do you take away 1? Take away 5 at 4 at 10. Don't forget. Take away 1 at 10. 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 And that's all you need to learn.